Story 1. The Science Project. The son came to his father and said, "Dad, I need to do a science project for school." "Okay, son, how much time do you have? How much time do we have?" "Well, Dad, not much." "What do you mean? By next week?" By tomorrow." The father put his newspaper aside and said, "Oh no, not again." "Dad, I promise you, this is the last time." "Okay, and what exactly is it going to be? Botany?" "No, Dad." The son looked down. "Biology." "I knew it, but I was still hoping you would say botany. And which creature is simple enough for a biology project on such short notice?" "Maybe, Dad, one of those funny hairy ones," the son said with a little hope in his voice. "And you know, I like them. They're funny and harmless." "Oh, you don't know them. They're harmless when they're isolated from one another. But they're terrible beasts when there are many of them." The father frowned. "Can't imagine them being terrible and dangerous. They look nice." "Don't judge a book by its cover. But you are right about one thing, son. They are probably the simplest creatures in the galaxy," the father said. "Go meet me at the launch pad." "Thanks, Dad," the son said. "Where do you think you are going?" the mom asked them. None of her three faces looked happy. The dad yawned, covering his mouth with his tentacle. "Don't worry, honey," he said. "We're going to the solar system. It's gonna be a quick ride." Then he turned to his son and said, "Hurry up, kid. We have a human to abduct."